If you ever get interested in any work in life, do not give up on it just because it will take time to do. It will take years to build a good physique. So, what if it takes years to learn a language, to learn a skill, or any instrument? Time is running out anyway, whether you work or not. The flow of time will never stop. 2023 is also about to end. Is there any information about the time? The last 1 to 3 years have gone by in the blink of an eye. Those people who are able to see this flow of time, they know that the things which they have somehow fitted into their routine within this flow of time and keep working on it regularly, those things become life skill. And we don't even realize when the years pass. And one day, when he looks back, he realizes how far he has come. The things which used to appear to him like distant dream have now become his reality. And for a person who keeps saying that it will take time to do it and never starts anything, the flow of time continues for him too. Years will pass, and one day he will look back and see it as ruined time only. He will not be able to tell correctly that what he has done in the last few years because it was a year ago and is still the same person today. So today's lesson is do the right thing even it takes time because the time is going to pass anyway. And if you like this video then please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.